This video will show you how to install your new appliance smart plug using step-by-step instructions. Before you start, download the TELUS SmartHome app on your smartphone or tablet. First, check that you have the correct smart plug for the installation. The front of the plug-in appliance module will have a 3-prong plug-in. The dimmer module will have a 2-prong plug-in on the side. We recommend installing it only in an unswitched outlet. Next, log in to the TELUS SmartHome app. Press the More button in the bottom right-hand corner of the home screen. Select Add Device. Choose Lighting and Appliance Control. Select your smart plug from the drop-down list. Now, follow the on-screen instructions to complete your setup. When prompted, press the button on the side of the plug to pair it with the app. The app will let you know when the plug has been successfully installed. You may now plug your appliance in. Congratulations, you have successfully installed your appliance smart plug. You can now turn your appliance on and off remotely by using your smart home app. Need help with any part of this installation? Press the Support button in the About section of the Smart Home app.